how fast do you type your messages or replies on your phone? How about how fast do you type questions on your search boxes or write an essay in a Word document? If you're a fast typer, you can apply for this job. But don't worry, even if you can't type many words in a single minute, you can still improve your typing skills by using the website I'll show you later. Let's first calculate how much you can earn by typing. So by typing names on one page, you can earn $15. Let's say you've made a 5-page document full of names. That's already $75. What if you finished a 20-page document full of names? Well, that's a whopping $300 for you. You can already make hundreds of dollars in just one day, while only doing this in your free time. You can type names for as long as you want. There are no limits. If you always bring your phone whenever you go outside, you can still type. This method is free and available in different countries all around the world. To avoid any misunderstandings, I'll give you a simple step-by-step process. So make sure you watch the entire video because most people get it wrong. Regardless of how quickly you type, I'll show you later the website that could help you become a better typer and earn more money. Hi, welcome to Daily Cashflow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. But before that, let me first show you the computation of your possible earnings. I hope you'll get motivated after seeing the potential earnings. For instance, if a page generally contains 300 words, you can instantly make $15 from that page. Here's an example. So, this is the first page of the first project. The following project is the second page, and this is the third page for the third project. Simply by entering names, you can make money by completing these pages. I'll go into detail about how you can get $15 for writing 300 words. As you can see, there are 300 names in total. Thus, inputting names on this website will pay you $15 for every 300 words you type. This is a fantastic opportunity to make money. By simply entering names, you can easily make $450 each day, or even much more if you can complete 30 pages each day. Now without further ado, let's go to talentdesire.com. This website allows you to work from home and make money online. To begin working on this website, you're not required to pay for anything because registration is totally free. They offer a wide range of work from home opportunities. Online typing jobs are among the positions available, in addition to online teaching, online proofreading, freelance blogging, language translation, paid surveys, and online medical transcription. You can choose any job that you want on this website. Then simply click the career path you think will allow you to succeed. However, for the sake of this video, we'll be focusing on online typing jobs because it's one of the simplest jobs here. The requirements for this job are simple, so I think most people can try this. Also, you don't have to be an expert or a writer. Now, when you select the category for online typing jobs, you can see that you can make between $13,500 and $27,000 or more annually. You'll always make $1,125 a month from your job if you are consistent. As you can see, there are no joining fees. Registration is absolutely free. There are no further costs to pay before or after joining the website. The salary rates can be seen in this particular section. So, the pay rates vary depending on the level. It will depend on how skilled you are as a typer. Of course, you'll make more money if you're an expert. But if you're just a beginner, you can still make money. Always keep in mind that we can learn anything. You'll eventually improve if you practice and take exams to enhance your typing speed. Let me now introduce you to the website called radatype.com. On this website, you can practice increasing your speed and accuracy by taking a free typing test. When you get to this page, click the yellow button to start typing on your computer or your phone. Because this website will issue you a typing certificate, you must take the speed typing exam. You should obtain a certificate to increase your income and earning rates per page. So, you better grab this opportunity. Let's say you get paid $15 for each page you type if you have the certificate from Radatype. This is the best secret you could learn because it will help you a lot. Even if you're just a beginner, you'll get recruited quickly and have access to a wider choice of high-paying positions if you have the certificate to prove it. You can earn $450, $500, or even more just by typing names daily. By the way, just a quick reminder, if you like this channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss out learning new methods about making money online. We upload a lot of videos on this channel, so there's a lot of money-making methods that we can show you, and you can use either your laptop, computer, or phone. Most of them are free. Also, hitting that like button really helps out. Thanks for your time. This is Daily Cashflow. Back to the video. Now let me show you how you can get the certificate and complete your TalentDesire.com application. Once you begin typing on this webpage, it will quickly calculate your accuracy and word per minute rate, as well as whether you make any mistakes with your spelling or your typing. You'll earn more money the more accurate you are. Also, your accuracy goal should be between 98 and 99.99%. So by taking the typing test and receiving the certificate, you may prove your typing accuracy and speed. It's incredible how you could boost your payment rate with this method. If your accuracy goes below 98%, don't worry, because you can practice your typing speed and accuracy in the Typing Tutor section right here. You can take the typing test for free until your accuracy or your speed improves. When you're happy and satisfied with the outcomes, click on this link to register for a free account. You can create a free account by entering your name, email address, and password. Then, click the Sign Up button after agreeing to the terms and conditions. The certificate will welcome you if you've already taken the test and have created your account. Your name will be written on the certificate. They'll even display the Ratatype.com signature to verify the certificate. Because of the certificate you obtained, your pay rate can be increased significantly. Simply click this Print button. Use your computer or mobile device to view the image of your certificate and then save it as a PDF file. Once you receive the certificate, return to TalentDesire.com to begin your job search. Once you've reached the bottom of this page, click the red Apply Now button. After that, you'll be taken to a page where you can begin applying. You'll be taken to a website where you click the Select an Application form with a red link. Next, find and click the red link Online Application form. After that, scroll down and click the red link Fill in your details to apply and work with our link. If you're having trouble finding the registration page, be sure to watch the video once more. Now before entering your first and last name, email address, phone number, or country, you must first agree to the privacy policies. Then select the drop-down arrow and choose any of these countries. They accept applications from people in the Philippines, Nigeria, Pakistan, the United States, India, Egypt, Turkey, and other countries. They'll also ask for your personal information in the next section. And some people make mistakes in this section, so watch and listen carefully. Type online typing job in the box for the desired job title. Then, by clicking on the down arrow right here, you have to choose the time that's best for you. You can choose on whatever time slots you want. Although to have more opportunities and employments available, I suggest you select all day so that you can earn more money online. Next, decide how you'd like to be paid or where you want to withdraw your money from. Direct deposit, Skrill, wire transfers, Payoneer, and PayPal are your options. You can choose any of these payment methods. Next, choose your current professional status. And then tick the box that reads, "Yes, I've read and accepted the statement above." The next step is to enter your full name here to verify that you're not a robot, and then click the Submit button after finishing the application. When you've been given the green light or approval, you can start receiving typing assignments like this one, where you can earn $15 for just 300 words. And that's only for one page. The second page would pay you an additional $15, and the third would pay you another $15, and so on. You can receive $15 for each page with names if you submit your assignment on time. You won't receive the ongoing daily tasks if you always submit your work late. And there you have it. Those are the two websites that I hope will be helpful to you. The first website is where you'll apply and earn money, and the other is where you can improve your skills to boost your earnings. You're free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. See you in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video, and to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.